next up on stage is going to be the winner of the Trek Environmental and Societal Solutions. I'm talking of ecoLocked. And please welcome with me to the stage Mario Schmitt, their founder and CEO. And Mario, your time is running now.
Wow, this is one giant room. Let me tell you how we can use places like this to store tons of CO2. We're ecoLocked, and we want to create a world where buildings don't produce CO2 emissions, but rather become a tool in the fight against climate change. Because if you produce concrete with ecoLocked materials, every meter cubed stores on average 200 kilograms of CO2. And so by 2040, we want to have achieved a cumulative 1 gigaton of CO2 impact. To see why that's needed, just ask yourselves, are you hopeful that we'll still fix climate change just with emission reduction? The IPCC says that we've been so slow that we'll now need to remove 10 gigatons from the atmosphere each year already by 2050. And this is nowhere as evident as in the construction sector. Every month, we're using building materials in the volume of a new Manhattan, contributing 15% of global emissions before the buildings are ever used. In the case of concrete, the second most used material on Earth, that volume is expected to double. And even if we now start to reduce very successfully, 25% of the emission baseline will remain by 2050. Here's ecoLocked's solution to that. We extract the carbon from waste biomasses that would normally be burned, and we turn it into building materials. And thereby, we prevent the carbon from reacting to CO2 for hundreds of years and give the construction industry a tool to make up for the emissions they cannot abate yet. We already have more than 600 recipes in our database from more than 50 different biocarbons. And the first result is our product line for concrete, called ecoLocked materials. ecoLocked materials are admixes that you drop in during the concrete production process, just like a baking mixture. They reduce the need for fossil ingredients like sand and cement and allow to produce certified climate-neutral concrete. And we have already poured more than 250 meter cubed across a variety of precast and ready-mixed applications. Our solution is market-ready, and next year we will already achieve more than 1 million in revenue and more than 3,000 tons in CO2 impact. We have 3 founders based in Berlin, have an amazing team of 20 material scientists, carbon accounting experts, engineers, you name it. We have a patent pending, a proprietary cost-effective manufacturing setup, and most importantly, the solution is scalable. Because waste biomass is everywhere and construction happens anywhere. So let's build some carbon sinks together.
Wow. Wow.